Hey guys, you are welcome to today's tutorial. Today we will be making this shirt and short for a 3-year-old baby. If you are here for the first time, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and if you have been my subscriber before, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Please like this video if you actually derive any value from it. The materials we'll be using for this tutorial are being displayed on the screen. So let's cut the shirt. For the shirt, I have a piece of fabric unfold for the back panel and 2 pieces of fabric for the front panel. The 2 pieces are there because I need an open front for the front panel because of the button holes and the button. The next step is to place the back panel on the front panel. I left 2.5 inches for the button and the button hole. So after that, the next thing is I folded this I folded it with the chest measurement, which is 24 divided by 4 equals to 6, and I added 2 inches to it. So I folded it 8 inches apart from that 2 inches that I left for the button hole. The length of the shirt is 15 inches plus sewing allowance. I'm actually going to use 1 inch for the sewing allowance. That is, the actual length is 14 inches. I added 1, making 15. So now the next step is to measure the shoulder divided by 2. I've marked that 4.5 inches. So I will still mark that 4.5 inches for the armhole line of 5 inches. Then connect the armhole cuff. For the neck width, I marked 2 inches, and for the front neck depth, I marked 2.5 inches, while for the back neck depth, I marked 1 inch. Because I placed the back panel on the front, I will first cut out the back neck before cutting out the front neck. The next step is to come to the shoulder line, measure 0.5 inch and slant it to the neck. That will make my shoulder slant. To cut the shorts, I'm going to fold the fabric into 4 because the short is not going to have any pockets. I will rule out a starting line like that. That will serve as my waistline. From the waistline, I will measure 2 inches for the elastic casing and rule it out. The next step is to measure the full length of the short from the elastic line, and I added 0.5 inch for the allowance at the down part. You can make it 1 to 2 inch. My initial intention was to add another material to it, but I later chose not to add it. I later fold the down part. So if you are folding the down part, add 2 inches to it so that you use that to fold. So rule that out. The next step is to mark the crotch length of 7.5 from the elastic line, that waistline. Mark 7.5. For babies, 7.5 is okay. I will come to the elastic line now and mark the hip divided by 4. The hip is 22 divided by 4 will give me 5.5. And I also mark that 5.5 on the crotch line. Then connect the 2 points together. After connecting the 2 points, I will connect the crotch cuff. I will make the crotch cuff. On the crotch line, then I will measure the thigh measurement divided by 2. That's 13 inches divided by 2. That will give me 6.5. I added 0.5 inches for joining. You can transfer that to the downline, or you just remove that 0.5 if you want some kind of shape, just like this. I remove 0.5 and I transfer it to the bottom line, and that's all. To sew the short now, just put it on top of each other, right side facing right side, and place it like that and sew along the crotch line. For the shirt, I'm going to place it right side facing right side, just like I'm doing in the video, placing the front on the back, arranging it very well, and I will join the shoulder. That's the first thing. I'll join the shoulders. So now to join the crotch of the shorts. So after joining that side, I'll bring the 2 crotches together like I am doing in the video, and I will sew along the line. Align the 2 crotch and sew it along. I have an elastic of 15 inches here. I'm going to join the elastic on top of one another like that, so that it will not loose. So after joining it, I'll start attaching it to the shorts like I'm doing in the video. So for the down part of the short, I've ironed in 1 inch, and I'm going to sew it in like that. Like I'm going to hem the down part of the shorts, and that's all for the shorts. So this is what we have for the shirt. You can see how it is looking nice now. So let's proceed to sew the shirt. So to sew the shirt, the first thing is to join the shoulder. After joining the shoulder, the next step is to fold in the button allowance. Out of the 2.5 inches I left for the button allowance, I will fold in 1.5 and 1 inches will still be outside. That will contain the button hole and the button. I will hold down the allowance at the neck and at the neck area, and I will give it a good press because I don't want to sew along it. You can also sew it down, but I don't think it look nice. You can just hold it like that. So the next step is to fold the edge of the sleeve, and after folding the edge of the sleeve, attach it to the shirt. After joining the sleeve to the shirt, the next thing is to join the side of the shirt with the 1 inch sewing allowance that I left there. The next step is to add the collar to the shirt. And after adding the collar to the shirt, I'm going to hem the down part of the shirt, interlock the inside of the shirt, and add the button and create the button hole. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching from the beginning to the end. I really love you. I appreciate you for always being here. If there's any suggestion or anything you think I can add to this video to make it more spicy, please drop that for me in the comment section, and please hug me in the comment section like I normally say. Thank you for watching. I love you. I love you all. I really appreciate you. I'm not taking your time, your energy. I'm not taking it for granted on this channel. I appreciate you. I love you. I hope you derive something from this tutorial. Please smack that like button now. And this is the result. Thank you for watching.